After replacing my 12-volt battery in this 2012 Chevy Volts, the car won't start. You can see I've got gas there. It says the battery's dead. And when I plug it in, it won't charge. When I hit the power button down here, we got the brake held. So that should turn it on or off. It says waiting to shift. So it did that. So we should be ready to go. Put it in reverse, nothing happens. Put it back to park, nothing happens. And then if I hit the power button again to like shut it off, it does the same thing again. So I'm not sure what to do here.